Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get right into it with DIYing these jeans. So I will be adding fringes to the bottom of these old pair of jeans. I don't like how they normally fit on me, so I'm just gonna DIY them. So I tried them on first and I cuffed them to where I want the fringes to be. If that makes sense. So you want to make sure you try them on first before you mark up how far you're gonna add the fringes. So these cuffs are what I started out with. I ended up cutting them shorter than this. Yeah. So you're gonna need scissors, tweezers, and a marker. You're gonna use the marker and you're going to draw the line of to indicate how far you're gonna go up when you get ready to cut your fringes. So I'm just doing that with both pant leg of the jeans, and then I'm gonna uncuff them and start with the left side. So I'm gonna uncuff and I'm going to take my scissors and cut up along the seams of my jeans on both sides. Sorry, y'all, I forgot a step. So first you want to cut off the hem at the bottom of the jeans, because if you don't, you're not gonna be able to, fringe them because it's gonna be sewn at the bottom. So you want to cut those off first, and then your jeans should look like this. And then from here you want to cut along the seams on both sides. And then these thick parts, like where it was sewn, I ended up cutting those off completely because they were just dangling with the fringes and it didn't look right. So I guess you can decide if you want to keep them or cut them off. It's up to you. So now I'm going to go and create my little strips that I'm going to be working from when I'm fringing, if that makes sense. Now after doing this with the other pant leg, after doing this with this pant leg, I did it differently for the other one because I don't know why I cut them so skinny, but the thicker the chunk, the shorter amount of time it will take you because you have less strips to do, if that makes sense. So they shouldn't even be this skinny. You maybe only need like 3 across the front and then 3 across the back. The skinnier they are, the longer it's going to take you. I started around maybe like 10 o'clock. I didn't finish till like 1 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, you definitely want to be mindful of your time, and yeah, don't do extra and give yourself more work. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm using my tweezers and I'm pulling out all of the white thread. The white thread is the thread that goes horizontal. So as you guys can see here, all of the white pieces are going horizontal. You want to pull those out with the tweezers, like I said, and then what you'll have left are the vertical little strings or threads, and that's what creates the fringes. Like those are actually going to be the fringes when you're done. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the rest of the first pant leg off camera, so that I didn't bore you guys. But this is what it should look like when you're done. Like I said, all of the vertical threads are what you're gonna be left with, which, you know, are the fringes. So it should look like this when you're done. They're not, you know, perfect. They're not completely uniform, but I think that's, you know, all in the style, so I don't mind it. Okay, so now I have the other leg to do. So like I was telling you guys before, I did make thicker chunks. As you can see, I have 3 on the front and 3 on the back. So it took me less time to do this leg than it did the other one because of the larger sections. So guys, this is the completed look. I have both legs done of these jeans, and this is how it looks. Like I said, I love that like messy, you know, like distressed look that the fringes give the jeans. Now, usually people put them in the dryer when they're done to get rid of, like, you know, the extra little white pieces. As you guys can see, they're kind of still like within the fringes, but I wore them complete like this and they were completely fine. I'm in college, so I'm not putting one pair of jeans in the dryer just to get the look. So, you know, but to each its own. So you can either put them in the dryer or not, whatever you prefer. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like me to do more DIY videos with clothing, let me know, and I will see you all next week.